Hi, this is PV Subramanian from mirrorlessness.com. That's mirrorlessness.com. I'm the founder of Kit Karma, www.kitkarma.com. And here I am. I've been a prolific Leica user right from the M9s up to the M10 and then, the Leica SL. So the Leica SL had an L mount and it's part of the L Alliance, the best thing to happen to the camera world, right? To the photography world. Sigma, Panasonic and Leica have come together to share technology to create cameras with a common mount so that you can have any lens in your kitty among these three companies with an L mount and you'll be fine. So that's fantastic, right? Now the L Alliance, the cameras started getting released about a year and a half back, but then the lenses were a few, only Leica had a few lenses. Now Panasonic is in the fray, they have 3 or 4 lenses and Sigma is now in the market. So today we're going to see the L mount 35 1.2. Yep, 1.2, you heard that right, with autofocus. So this is the world's first 35mm 1.2 with autofocus. Now this, incidentally and probably, is the first unboxing video of this lens worldwide. I tried YouTube, couldn't find anything, so I'm assuming this is the first. If you find something, well, let me know, but I didn't find anything on YouTube regarding this lens. I know people have spoken about it, but nobody's really shown you the lens, so I'm going to do that. And this is an art series lens, and the motto of Sigma for art series is pursuing the ultimate image quality, right? That's what they're after. So this is a no compromise lens. It looks, feels exactly like that. I'll show you what I recorded with the unboxing. Alright, so here it is, the Sigma 35mm f1.2 L mount. It's the first autofocus 35mm lens with an aperture of 1.2. And it's an art series from Sigma. So here you have the strap. That's for the box, of course. You have some paperwork. And here it is. So I love this with the art series. I love these boxes. So when you have to go somewhere, there are companies which have this pouch kind of a thing, which kind of is shapeless, but this is a solid kind of a cuboid. So it fits well, snugly, and it's easy to transport. And if you just want to carry it along, you can put the strap and take it. I really like this from Sigma. And here it is. Wow, that's quite big. But then remember, it's 1.2, f1.2. So I've used a couple of other f1.2, or not a couple, I've used one more 35mm f1.2 lens, but that was manual focus, that was a Voigtlander. And this is the Sigma Art 35mm 1.2 DG-DN, a filter size of 82 millimeters, again because of the 1.2 aperture. And this has, look at this, it has the aperture control right on the body of the lens, and this can be declicked. So if you're shooting video, there's no clicks, you can just change it. And if you want the clicks as you're doing photography, and the click is back. And then they have this AFL button. I have to do some research on that, what all it can do. And then there's an AF MF button. All right, so here it is. Here's the Sigma 35 1.2 L mount mounted on the Panasonic S1. Sometimes I do miss the SL. I wish I could have tested it on the SL, and I probably will, but then right now I have this beautiful, amazing Panasonic S1. So yeah, the lens does appear big, but remember, again and again, I keep telling you it's a 35 1.2, so it is bound to be large. It's heavy, it's about 980 grams, it's not light. But then the S1 also is not a very light and kind of a tiny camera. It's fairly substantial. It itself weighs almost like an SLR. So the combo is fairly compact and nice. It feels good holding this. I love the grip of Panasonic, this grip, and then if you hold it, it's beautiful to shoot. So that's what it is. It comes with the hood. It's got an 82 mm filter size. It's got 11 aperture blades, rounded. So I can't wait to shoot the bokeh of this guy. I'm really itching to really shoot a portrait shoot somewhere, hopefully tomorrow. And what else does it have? Yeah, so I already showed you the aperture ring. It's outside. That's brilliant. I just love that, being a manual focus lens user. Then the autofocus manual focus button and the AFL button, and then if you want to declick this ring, so there's a button there. So that's what this is all about. It has a coating. The front element has a coating, so it is oil and water repellent. That's what they say. And it's got they don't call it weather sealing, they call it something else, but then it's kind of intended to keep away dust from getting in and from splash, so water splashes. So it's splash proof and dust proof. That's what they say. So I'm going to test the focusing speed, the aberrations and all those kind of stuffs. Like I said, it's a DGDN, so this is supposed to be of uncompromising quality. We'll test it out. Don't forget to subscribe this channel so that you can be notified when I have this. I'm going to test this for video, and I'm going to test this for stills indoor and outdoor. So don't miss that. Please subscribe. Thank you.